Welcome back to Bird Island Zoo. We have a new employee that's introducing himself. My name's I'm Traffic. I'm Stopbird, Red's friend. All right. So Stopbird is gonna be with us the whole time, and what we want is to help him, to get him to help us. I'll help you anyhow. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's grab our lion, our tiger, and let's grab the female lion. There is already a mother Bengal tiger with the baby white Bengal tiger. That the tiger's mother and father were killed, and we're trying our very best to get 2 white Bengal tigers in our zoo. So they're ready for the tiger cub. And so we are gonna spade the lioness after breeding the tiger. We want to get at the design at least as many as we can. We're gonna get a liger in the zoo. We want the tiger and lion to breed because we want the hybrid lion and tiger at our zoo. Okay, she's pregnant. We're gonna spade her after this video and after she gives birth. So we already have some tiger cubs and some lion cubs, and we're taking the tiger, the lion to the area. Alright, come on, Stopbird. Okay. We got our sperm cup. Might have to do some surgery on him after this. We'll just see. Alright, he's sleeping. Alright. Suck up some sperm liquid into this and squirt it out. And collect his DNA. And we have him. We don't want any more tiger cubs in the zoo, so we're getting rid of that guy's sperm. Testicles. Alright. Looks like he does not need surgery. I agree with you. Alright. Let's take him back to his cage. Alright, are we ready to move the lions away from the zebras? Sure. Alright, this is a new cage it's built in. We're ready to put them in. There we go. Far away from everything of what it eats. So, we're gonna cut this guy's testicles off because of him. Let's go back to the lab and cut all their testicles off because we have a pregnant lion over there. Alright. New sperm cup. Lay him down. Alright. Take him to his new cage. And we got the jaguar that we're taking in. Oops. We're collecting some DNA. We need to probation require some random drug tests to the animal cages. It worked! Now find something in. Now let's run this test. He's 100% good. Alright, we'll get them to go to the bathroom on a cup. Look at that. There we go. Let's take these guys to their new cages away from the other animals. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Stopbird. So thank you for watching this episode. Bye.